Let's get out of here. Ciao, y'all. Whoa, look at what you've done, Jazzy. Look at what you've done. Check them out. You got to be proud, Jazzy.
I am.
There you go. What a beautiful day to come down to Brighton.
Grab a coffee.
Come and see us, guys, from midday. See you soon.
You in there, Baba?
Uh-oh. It's the Rowan. Hello. Hello, doggy.
I'm Ben. It's going great. Yeah, there's a lot of people here. But yeah, everyone's here. And then behind, it's going bueno.
Guess what he did?
Just brought a van.
He just bought a van. He is an official nut job.
Hooray.
He's obviously read all those silly things that you should never buy one of these old vans.
Kicked a few tyres too.
Oh no, he kicked tyres.
We sold a van. Yay!
What have you bought?
This is a replica of a 1905 Indian, roughly made in lockdown. That's kind of like what her is.
Oh!
Not been started for a few weeks.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
All right.
Yeah. What are you
End
doing?
of the day, mate. Moving the cars, tidying up, and go and get some dinner.
Good day?
Yes.
Bad
Yeah, good day. Good turnout, isn't it?
The day in the life of a Volkswagen owner, ladies and gents. Sorry, guys.
Last one in the house, Paul. Are you wheeling that all the way back to Slough then?
Probably.
Should you get you some diesel in there?
Yes.
It's official.
So it's
official.
away from the whippy whopping line.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. That's it, guys. Wrapping up time. today's open day nut job. Thank you so much to everybody that came down, and thank you to all of the crew that was helping. Amazing. Marley is in behind us, very important. Crack on tomorrow. Well, there you go. It is the day after the night before, as they say. And what a lovely day yesterday. The sun is still shining, which is nice. We sold a few vans. We met a lot of lovely people. More importantly, we raised some money for Joe, for the Marley project, which is in the workshop today and starting. Anyway, keep up to date on that, guys. If you haven't already, there's a GoFundMe page, link on our website. Very, very important project that we have to get out the door very, very soon. Anyway, watch this space, and yeah, more vans for sale here next Saturday morning on the 5th. Come and see us. Cheers, guys.